Uh, Good evening, guys. My name is Atul Devkar, and today our topic is method overloading in Java. Before we discuss method overloading, we talk about polymorphism in Java. So, polymorphism in Java is a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words, poly and morphs. The words poly means many, and the words morphs means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. There are two type of polymorphisms in Java: compile time polymorphism and second is a runtime polymorphism. We can perform polymorphism in Java by a method overriding and method overloading and method overriding. So let's talk about method overloading in Java. If a class has a multiple methods having the same name but different parameters, it is known as method overloading. If you know the performed only the method overloading, if we have to perform only operation having some name of the method, increase the readability of the program. Suppose you have to the perform the addition of the given numbers, but there can any numbers of argument. If I write a method such as a in parameter int comma int for two parameters and the int b int for three parameters, then it may be difficult for you as well other programmers understand behavior of the method because it is a name is different. Let's talk about advantages of method overriding. So method overriding is an increase of readability of the program, and different ways to override the method. So there are two types of methods in Java, by changing number of arguments and by changing to the data type. First is method overloading. Changing a number of arguments, we have to create two methods. First add and method performs addition of two numbers, and second add method perform addition of three numbers. Example, class adder in static int addition int a and int b, in curly bracket written a plus b, curly bracket close. Then next static int add int a int a comma int b int c, then return a plus b plus c. Next is method overloading. Changing data types of arguments, we have to create a two method of that. We have to two methods of the different data types. The first add method receive integer arguments, and second is method is receive two double arguments, class adder. Class ladder example is a static int add integer a and integer b, return a plus b, and a static double add double a and double b and return a plus b. So why method overriding is possible by the changing the return type as method only. So in a Java, method overriding is not possible by changing the return type of the method only because of ambiguity. So thank you.